Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're comparing two compelling mirrorless cameras from Canon. The Canon EOS R7, a powerhouse for serious photographers, and the Canon EOS R100, an excellent entry-level option. Let's see how they stack up against each other. Let's kick things off with price. The Canon EOS R7 comes in at a hefty $1,499, making it a significant investment for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Reviewers appreciate its build quality and advanced features, stating it's worth every penny for serious photography. On the flip side, the Canon EOS R100 is priced at just $599. which many reviewers describe as an incredible deal for beginners. They recommend it for its ease of use and excellent introductory features, making it a friendly option for those just starting out. Now let's talk image quality. The R7 features a stunning 32.5 megapixels, APS circa CMOS sensor, and a DIGICX image processor, delivering sharp and vibrant images. Reviewers rave about its color accuracy and performance in various lighting conditions, particularly praising its capabilities in wildlife photography. Meanwhile, the R100 has a 24.1 megapixel sensor and DIGIC8 processor, which provides great image quality for casual photography. Reviewers highlight its effectiveness for family photos, especially with a baby on the way, showcasing its ability to capture cherished moments. Let's speed things up with continuous shooting. The R7 can shoot at an impressive 15 FPS, making it perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects like pets or sports. Users love this feature for its effectiveness in wildlife photography. In contrast, the R100 offers a decent 6.5 FPS, great for everyday moments, but not as fast as the R7. Reviewers note that it's still adequate for casual photography. So while the R7 is designed for speed, the R100 is more about capturing life's simpler, slower moments. Next, we dive into autofocus systems. The R7 boasts a dual-pixel CMOS AF system that covers 100% of the frame, providing fast and accurate focusing. Reviewers appreciate this feature, especially for action shots, noting it's like having a personal assistant always on point. Conversely, the R100 also uses dual-pixel AF, but covers a smaller area, which is suitable for general photography. Users find it effective for casual shots, although some mention it can struggle a bit in low-light situations. Finally, let's discuss stabilization. The R7 comes equipped with 5-axis image stabilization, ensuring smooth and steady shots even in challenging conditions. Reviewers have praised it for producing clean video footage, making it ideal for vlogging or adventure filming. On the other hand, the R100 lacks robust stabilization features, which can lead to shakier footage. Users mention that while it's fine for simple videos, it may require some steadying techniques for quality results. Overall, the Canon EOS R7 is highly regarded for its advanced features and performance, making it a favorite among serious photographers. Reviewers consistently praise its image quality, autofocus, and speed, positioning it as a top choice for enthusiasts. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R100 has received positive feedback for its affordability and beginner-friendly features, though it has some limitations in autofocus and stabilization that some users find frustrating. Both cameras serve their audience well, but cater to different needs and skill levels. So which camera do you prefer? The powerful Canon EOS R7 or the budget-friendly Canon EOS R100? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the product links in the description for more details. Catch you in the next comparison.